Hello, my name is Brian. I sell used clothing full-time on eBay, and today I'm going to go over 10 sales that you guys can go into thrift stores, pick up these items, and sell them yourselves. I sold 32 items for $901 for an average sale price of about $28 each item. And I'm just gonna go over 10 of those items, and yeah, let's get to it. First item is this vintage DC Comics shirt. It's an all over Joker print. I mean, kind of no brainer here, but if you guys see these all over print shirts, that, you know, some of them go for hundreds of dollars, some of them just go for $20. I think I listed this one at about $50 and sold for $41 plus $6. Next is this Hollister jacket, size large. It was duck down and Sherpa lined on the inside. So I believe I picked up this one for $8 and sold. I took a best offer for $27 less $9 shipping. So it says 23, but that was because it went overseas. They paid $9 shipping. So pretty good sale there. Nothing crazy, but it didn't take very long to sell. It sold pretty quickly in the summer, going into the summertime. So that is a pretty nice quick sell there. Next up are these Big Star jeans from the store Buckle, and pretty good size here, 32 waist and 32 or 34 length, and it's the Pioneer boot jeans. Anything like this, if you see something from Buckle, the brand Big Star, I would look up the model number and the size. If you guys are new, you know, learning all the different sizes and the models, look at the info, look at the data and see what sells the best. But yeah, this one sold for $30 plus $9 shipping. I want to say I paid $10 for this. Maybe I paid $8. Can't remember. But either way, pretty good sale. Next is a pair of Ariat jeans. Again, good size, 34, 32. Again, probably paid $10. These ones I might have paid up a little bit. I think I might have paid $12. Not sure, but I knew they would sell either way. I'm not really worried about the buy price at that point because I know they're gonna sell quickly and for decent money for a size like that. I just kind of knew they were gonna sell. So for 30 plus 9, pretty good sale there. Next, if any of you saw my last video, another one sold, Croft and Borrow button-up shirt. It's the quick dries. People like to buy these cheap, go on fishing trips or whatever, and yeah, I'll pick them up for like $5 and sell them for 15 plus 6. This one was an XL. Sometimes they go for, so I list them for 19 plus 6, and sometimes they do sell for full asking price, but not always. I've sold about maybe 20 of these, and I've never sold one under $15. So, but I'm only picking up the XLs or above. I did sell a large one time. It took a little bit longer, but I think I did get $15 for it. And the 2XLs are the best size there, but the XLs will sell. The 2XLs, you should be able to get more closer to that 20 plus 6 shipping. All right, next is this these Free People corduroy pants, size 14. So 14, a little bit bigger of a size. Those generally are going to do better than the smaller sizes, and corduroys are just in. I could just kind of tell someone was going to like this. I'm not a super fashionable person, but I could just kind of tell. So yeah, I think I paid $5 for these. They sold for $24 plus $9 shipping. Good brand, good size, and just like something that's kind of in style. All right, next up is a pair of Hurley board shorts, size 34. Again, 34, good size. And it's summertime, so a lot of times you can get stuff like this for pretty cheap for a couple of dollars, and it sold for 17 plus 6. You know, these things are good size. It's an okay brand, nothing crazy, but good size, good pattern. It was in perfect condition. It's in season. It's kind of got everything going for it. So for a couple of dollars into 17 plus 6, not a bad sell at all. And it didn't take that much time to sell. Going into the summertime, they just kind of go quick. All right, next up we have this heavy, thick Wrangler denim jacket. Just picking this up, I knew it was going to sell. I want to say I paid $8 for this, I think, and it sold for 26 plus 9. You know, and I'm shipping these things out for $7.60, so it, you know, doesn't cost $9 to ship out. But nothing crazy, just a heavy denim Wrangler jacket. All right, next up, speaking of Wrangler, I have these Wrangler jeans, size 40, 34. Don't be afraid of those bigger sizes. Paid a couple dollars for these pair of jeans, and they sold for $18 plus $9 shipping. Looks like I messed up in the title because I believe these were the 13MWZ model, and I should have had that earlier on in the title, but it looks like I put it at the end for some reason. I don't know. So not the greatest title structure there, and they sell decently well if you can pick them up for a few bucks. Next up, these Lululemon ABC pants. These are men's pants, size 32, charcoal color. Sold for $38 plus $9 shipping. I believe I took a best offer on these. Lululemon men's stuff does really well. I mean, women's stuff does too, but it's a little bit more saturated. A lot of the men's pants do very, very well. I personally own a pair of these, and I love them. Anytime you find these Lululemons, pick them up. There you guys have it. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Here's your 10 items. Hopefully you guys can go out into the world and find them and resell them yourself. All right, see you guys later.